Now that we've seen how powerful the Python standard library is, let's take things a step further. Python's real strength comes from its vast ecosystem of third-party packages, all freely available from the Python Package Index, or PyPI for short. Mnova allows you to use these packages in your scripts, but before you can use them, you'll need to install them. Let's look at a popular example, NumPy. NumPy is a fundamental package for scientific computing in Python, providing high-performance, multi-dimensional arrays and a wide range of tools for working with them. So, how do you install NumPy in Mnova's Integrated Python Interpreter? First, open a command prompt and navigate to your Mnova installation directory. For most users, that's here. Once you're in the right folder, run this command to install NumPy. That's it. After running this command, NumPy will be available for you to use in your Mnova Python scripts. You can use this same method to install any packages from PyPI, unlocking a huge number of tools and libraries to step up your coding. Now that you know how to install packages from PyPI, let's see how you can use them to make your scripts even more powerful and efficient. Imagine you have a folder full of Mnova files. These might be your NMR data files or any other files you're working with in Mnova. Previously, we used Python's standard library to list these files. But what if you want to go further and analyze them? For example, you might want to know how large these files are, what the average size is, or quickly find the largest and smallest files in your dataset. This is where combining the standard library with a package like NumPy really shines. With just a few lines of code, you can gather all the file sizes and instantly calculate useful statistics, something that would be much more cumbersome to do by hand. First, we'll import the modules we need: OS for working with files and directories, and NumPy for numerical operations. Then, we'll use the OS module to navigate directories and get file information, and NumPy to efficiently analyze the file sizes and compute statistics like the total, average, maximum, and minimum size. Get the directory of this script and the data directory relative to the current file. Now, list all the files with .mnova extension in the data directory and get the sizes of each Mnova file. Then, convert to NumPy array for analysis and print the sizes and some statistics. And finally, don't forget to add the standard Python entry point so your script runs when executed. This approach not only saves you time, but also demonstrates the power and flexibility you gain by tapping into Python's ecosystem. With just a few lines of code, you're now combining the power of Python's standard library with third-party packages like NumPy, all within Mnova. Feel free to experiment further. Try installing other packages from PyPI and see how they can enhance your Python scripts.